Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Rahmatiya Abdjul. You can call me Tia. I'm class A, NIM 4414200011, study program chemistry education. And then our material zeolite synthesis from rest as literature review. Zeolites are three-dimensional silica alumina crystal formed from tetrahedral alumina and silica with cavities inside that contain metal ions, slightly alkaline or alkaline soil, and free-moving water molecule. One of the zeolite elements is silica. The quality of an element depends largely on its perceived rest as a very high silica content. Silica level in rice has range from zeolite can be found natural zeolite, and can also be made with certain silica. A synthetic zeolite characteristic of natural zeolite depend on geological and geophysical conditions of nature. Then their characteristics of synthetic zeolite are only influenced by synthetic manufacturing process conditions and competition of raw materials. Method 1. Experimental tools. In this 1. Watch glass, 2. Beaker glass, 3. Measuring cup, 4. Dope pipette, 5. Spatula, 6. Measuring glass, 7. Mortar, 8. Analytical blend, 9. Hot plate, 10. Oven. Experimental material 1. Rice as material kategori general, 2. Aqueous material kategori general, 3. Filter paper material kategori general, 5. Potassium hydroxide atau KOH material kategori spesifik, 5. Alumina sulfat atau Al2 or Al2SO4 material kategori spesifik. Experimental work scan 1. Start. To weigh the sample RHA as much as 2.5 grams for 3 compression. 2. Weighing KOH weight different gram compressions is much as 5 grams for 3.75 or 3.275 and 10 ml of water. 3. Weight Al2SO4 3.75 gram for 3 compression and add 10 ml of water each. The solution thick. The thick solution is transferred in the watch glass and then dried in the oven. Observe the change the occur and then finish. Result and discourse. 1. Result, treatment and observation. Weigh rice as in 3 compression as much as 7.5035 grams or 7.5024 grams or 7.506 grams. 2. Weigh KOH potassium hydroxide in 3 compression. Observation as much as 5.0306 grams or 5.37 0.84 gram or 3,7677 gram. 3. Weighing Al2SO4 in 3 compression is as much 1.2520 gram or 1.2507 gram or 1.2510 gram. 3. Making KOH solution for each compression by adding 10 ml aqueous. Observation water solution. Making Al2SO4 solution for each evaporation by adding 10 ml aqueous water solution. Mixing KOH solution with Al2SO4 solution and rice husk as observation. Each compression is not dissolved in water and sediment. Heating the solution for each compression in a water bath, the solution heating. Drying each sample compression in the oven. Observation synthetic zeolite is formed in the parallel and not straight. Discussion. Zeolite is a rock that has a nuclear and porous crystal structure. With an element, their dominant are aluminum and silicates, so zeolite is well tested in porous violet and golden absorber was heavily. Animal feed, catalysts, and zeolite are used with as material research abroad or Indonesia. This is zeolite synthesis experiment asset sample of rice husk because rice husk the largest source of silica. This experimental asset rice husk weight 210.5 grams and then compression to 7.5 grams for each compression. Then we weigh Al2SO4 3 made in 3 compression where of Al2SO4 is 3.75 grams to return of 1.25 grams each. After weighing, we dissolve Al2SO4 using 10 ml of water. Then we weigh KOH made in 3 compression 10 grams to 5 grams. The second matter of 8.78 grams to 4.375 grams and then third rate of 7.5 grams to 3.75 grams. After weighing, we dissolve KOH using 10 ml of water. Next, mix rice husk with a solution Al2SO4 and KOH with each compression. The result of this treatment is an acidic solution and deposits are formed from husk. This solution is called a heterogeneous solution. The reaction that occurs between Al2SO4 and rice husk is PVC and then picture. The reaction between KOH and this and then picture. The reaction that occurs between KOH Al2SO4 and rice husk is and then picture. Mixing with Al2SO4 with KOH aims to dissolve harsh impure point in rice husk so it can increase the percent of silica element in it. Material unwanted material are experienced the rate of decay. Heating the solution over the water handle while stirring aims to make the solution quickly dissolve and thicken. The result of this treatment is that the solution turns viscous or gel-shaped. This heating is done by stirring so that the sampling process occurs evenly. After cooking, they dry in the oven at 6-5 or 6-8 derajat Celsius for 1 hour until the sample dries until hard texture and pitch black. Figure 2 drying process and figure 8 synthetic zeolite. Consolidation based on experimental research and observation indicates that zeolite can be synthesized in rice husk. SNKOH as base and Al2SO43 as an acid. It is indicated by the resulting form of zeolite. Nuclear synthesis that runs at temperature can produce zeolite crystal. Synthesis after 10 minutes. And then bibliograph and then materials, zeolite synthesis. Bye. Thank you for watching module 1.